Hey YouTube, this is going to be a quick little update on the ducks. I think that'll make part 5 in the Duckling Adventure series, which will almost conclude it. Next video I might only have one male and maybe like 2 or 3 females. They're starting to get their green heads and their beaks have changed colors. A lot of their plumage is starting to change also. A little wary of me right now, I'm not sure why. Try to get close up on their colors, and especially the beaks. That's probably the easiest way to tell them apart right now. Hey guys. So you can probably tell that one that is right there in the middle. The two in the back there, really, their beaks are like a yellowy green kind of color, whereas these other ones it's like a black orange. It's a really good way to tell. Also, you'll see the head starting to turn, it'll look like black, like in the front there by the beak, but it's like a dark green color. So there you should be able to see the really dark, looks like black coming in at the front of the face, but it's like that really deep green metallic color. So those are going to be your males, and you can tell those are the ones with the yellow green beaks with the little black spot on the front. See, I think I got like 3 males there. 1, 2, 3. And these other ones are all looking like females. So I had 12 because that's the minimum I could order, and I just got some unsexed ones because they were cheaper. So I've had to, let them mature to figure out which ones are which. Which it's getting a little packed back here with now it's 10 full-grown ducks. I sold 2 without really knowing what kind they were. But I'm gonna just keep 1 male, maybe like 2 or 3 females. Should be able to sell them here pretty soon and thin out the flock. We got these new geese, part of the family, which are doing alright. This white one here is super tame. He likes to hang out with me, walk around, follow me around. Call him Albert, like Albert Einstein, I guess. And that's Victoria. I think it's a female. She's pretty quiet. This white one can be a little honker sometimes, but they're pretty young. I think they're just kind of adjusting to their new home here. So that's going to be it for this video. Stay tuned. There's going to be a lot of fun stuff happening. It's springtime here in Florida. So if you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button, and thanks for watching.